Welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina, and today we're doing a stretch and energizing morning class. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So come standing on the top of your mat. Just take a nice deep breath in. And just allow your shoulders to drop. Nice deep breathing in again. Allow the breath to go all the way down to your belly. And breathe out. We're going to start off with some shoulder rolls. Just waking up the body. If you're going one way, let's go the other way. And then relax your shoulders. Let's do some neck rotation. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Take your time with these. Might feel some tightness in some areas. And when you come to the center, let's go over to the other side. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. One more circle. And then coming to the center. And then bringing your hands either on your thighs or on your knees. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine, looking down. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out and look down, and then you're just going to come down and hang. You might want to bring your hands to your elbows and then slowly come up and then widen your legs. Take one foot in front, back foot slightly. Take your hands out, and then you're just going to come back. And then coming down. One more time. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out. Come down. One more time. Breathe in, looking up. Real deep breaths in and breathing out. So you're feeling the energy of your breath. And then bringing your feet to the center. Let's go over to the other side. Breathe in, stretch out your hands. Breathe in, look up, or take your hands up. You don't have to look up if you don't want to. Breathe out, look down. Breathe out, looking up. Breathe in, coming down. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. And then bringing your hands to the side, feet to the center. And then just standing on your mat, just standing really, really strong. And breathe out. Just taking a moment here as you've moved your body. And then just bending your knees like this. And then coming back like you're sitting on a chair. As far as you can, like you're sitting on a chair. And then straightening your arms, stretch, stretch, stretch. And then we're just going to come into a twist. So bringing your hands together in prayer and then just twisting here. Take a deep breath in, and then you can stay here or bring your arms out like this. And then bring your hands together. Let's go over to the other side. So you're sitting in your chair, straighten your arms. Go as far as you can. You might not be able to. Just do what you can, what feels comfortable. And then bringing your hands in prayer. And then you're twisting. You can stay here or bringing your arms out like this. Take a breath here. And then bringing your hands back onto your knees. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out. Curving your spine, looking down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out. Look down one more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down, and then you're just going to come down again. Let your head hang. Might want to bring your arms to your elbows. Feeling a beautiful stretch, waking up your body. And then placing your hands on the floor. You might need to bend your knees, and then you're just moving and pedaling your feet. Feeling a lovely stretch on the back. And then coming up slowly. Stretching up. And then we're going to come over to one side. So you might have your arms at the side like this. Might be able to bring your hands together. You might even be able to clasp your hands like this. And stretching up. Whenever you stretch, push your tailbone down. Otherwise it's going to be arching. This is going to protect your core when you push your tailbone down. Breathe in, stretch up. And then just going to come over to one side. And then the other side. Just getting everything moving. You can take a breath in one side, breathing out on the other. Breathing in one way, breathing out the other way. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. And then relax your hands. Let's come to seated. Just taking a moment here to take deep breaths. Deep breathing allows you to energize your body, calm your mind, ready for your day. So you might want to place your hands on your knees or even on your lap. Just do what feels comfortable to you. So breathe in, close your eyes if you like. And breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. And as you're breathing, just feel like the sun is shining on you and you're breathing in the sunlight. And the more you breathe in the sunlight, you're feeling its energy and your body's feeling more energized. Your mind is becoming awake. Breathing in and breathing out. Just feeling energized, balanced, ready for your day. And then gently open your eyes if your eyes are open. I hope you enjoyed this class, feeling energy for your day. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.